Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 4, Exercise 4.4, continuation. Now problem number 14. Draw two tangents from a point which is 10 cm away from the center of a circle of radius 5 cm. The radius of the circle is 5 cm. Also, measure the length of the tangents. Okay. Here is the question number 14. First we can draw a rough diagram. Draw a circle. Since it is a rough diagram, any radius, draw a circle. Then mark the center of a circle as O. Draw a line segment OP from O. Let it be P. That is 10 cm away from the center of a circle given. So here you just write 10 cm. What is the length of OP? 10 cm. From O, you have to draw two tangents. Tangent is a straight line, touches a circle at one point. Like that. Have to draw another tangent from P. Okay. Put an arrow mark over here. Arrow mark. Let it be A, B. Generally, from an external point to a circle, we can draw two tangents. One is PA, another one PB. You are asked to find out the length of the tangent PA and PB. Actually, PA and PB are equal. Join O and A. OA, that is a radius. It should be 90 degree because a radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. OA is the radius of circle is given, that is 5 cm. It is a rough diagram only. Now we can do that fair diagram. Measure 5 cm in compass using scale because the radius of the circle is 5 cm. Now you have to draw a circle. Okay. The center of the circle, that is O. Now from the center of a circle, you have to take a point P which is at a distance of 10 cm. From the center, take a point P which is at a distance of 10 cm. 10 cm. Okay. Now take the compass. Keep the compass at O. You have to draw a perpendicular bisector for the line segment OP. How to draw a perpendicular bisector? Listen carefully. Take more than half of OP. Take more than half of OP. You can keep the compass anywhere in this region. Anywhere in this region. Don't go beyond the point P. Can take anywhere in this region. I take over here. I have to draw totally 4 arcs. From O 2 arcs, from P 2 arcs. Listen. Now from O, here one arc, here one arc. Next, without changing the length, keep the compass at P, two more arcs, one at the top and one at the bottom. So this curve cuts the previous arc at one point, like that. This curve cuts the previous arc at one point. Both the curves intersect at one point. Mark a point. Join the 2 points and extend also. Put arrow mark, arrow mark. Okay, now let M be the midpoint of OP. Let M, here it is, M is the midpoint of OP. Now with M as center, here it is, MO as radius, draw a circle. Okay, with M as center, MO as radius, draw a circle. So two circles intersect at 2 points, here and here. Let it be A and let it be B. Join PA and PB. Join PA and extend PB and extend. Okay, arrow mark, arrow mark. Then join O and A also. Join O and A. Here OA is the radius is 5 centimeter, that is given in the question. Radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Then here radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Which one is the tangent here? PA. So put 90 degree over here. So we know the length of OP, that is 10 centimeter. We know the length of OA, that is 5 centimeter. You are asked to find out the length of the tangent AP. A to P, that is a tangent. Since it is a 90 degree, it is a right angle triangle. So for finding that length AP, we can make use of that Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Here M is the midpoint of OP. This line is a perpendicular bisector for the line segment OP. Here also you better to mention 90 degree. Okay. So perpendicular bisector means this line, particularly this line, divides a segment into two equal halves. At the same time, this is perpendicular to OP. Therefore, it is called the perpendicular bisector. This type of problem, 5 stages to be made. First stage, that's a rough diagram. Rough diagram is over. The second one, fair diagram, that is also over. Next one, steps of construction. I'll be writing now. After that, stage number 4, you have to write that verification. In verification part only, you will be finding the length of AP using that Pythagoras theorem. And the last part, it's a 5th stage, that is a result. Okay. Now we can write the steps of construction. Construction. Step number 1. With center at O. With center at O, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw a line OP of length 10 centimeter. Now step number 3. Draw a perpendicular bisector of OP which cuts OP at M, which cuts OP at M. Step number 4. With M as center, MO as radius, draw a circle which cuts the previous circle, which cuts the previous circle at A and B. Now step number 5. Join AP and BP. AP and BP are the required tangents. Thus, length of the tangents are PA equals PB equals. Step number 6. Step number 6. Length of the tangents PA, that is equal to PB, that is equal to, here leave some space. Finally you can write, you just put centimeter only. So how to find the length of PA and PB? We can do it in verification part. Verification. Verification. In triangle OAP by Pythagoras theorem, look at the diagram here. So right angle triangle, because the one of the angles is 90 degree, the side opposite to 90 degree, particularly this side OP, is hypotenuse. You know very well, the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. According to the Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse, that is OP squared, equals sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is OA squared plus AP squared. Even you can write OA squared plus AP squared, that is equal to OP squared. OA squared plus AP squared, that is equal to OP squared, which implies I am retaining AP squared in the left hand side, OP squared, it comes right hand side, minus OA squared. Taking square root on both sides, TS or on BS. So what it means? Taking square root on both sides, right? So which implies square root of AP squared, that is equal to square root of OP squared minus OA squared. Here, since that square in the power, square and square root get cancelled, you can write AP equals. Here you are not supposed to cancel square and square root, because in between double square we have that minus. So no chance of cancelling the square and square root. So what to do? You have to retain as it is, OP squared minus OA squared. We know the length of OP, that is equal to 10 squared. OA, that is a radius, that is equal to 5 squared. See, OP length is 10, so 10 squared. OA length is 5, that is 5 squared. Okay. Square root of 10 squared, that is equal to 100. And 5 square, that is equal to 25. Square root of 100 minus 25, that is equal to 75. For finding the square root of 75, you no need to go for long division method and all, not necessary. You just measure the length of AP from the diagram itself using scale. Length of AP. Okay, here I'm getting 8.7. From here to here, what's the length? 8.7. You just write here 8.7 centimeter approximately. Just for verification, you have to multiply 8.7 and 8.7. 8.7 into 8.7, that is equal to 7 sevens are 49, balance 4, 7 eights are 56 plus 4, 60, 8 sevens are 56, balance 5, 8 eights are 64 plus 5, 69. Here 9, 6, 15 carry 1, 7. Here one decimal place, so totally 2 decimal places. After 2 decimal places, you have to keep the decimal point, 75.69. Some of you have a chance of getting 8.6 instead of 8.7. You can write 8.6. Suppose if you are getting 8.6, in verification you multiply 8.6 and 8.6. Okay, 6 6 or 36, balance 3, 8 6 or 48 plus 3, that is equal to 51. 6 8s or 48, balance 4, 8 8s are 64 plus 4, 68. Add 6, 9, 13, 7. Here one place, here one place, totally 2 places from the right hand side. After 2 places, keep the decimal point, 73.96. Here we have 75. For 75, here the shortage of 1.04 centimeter, 1.04 centimeter shortage. Here if you take 8.7, it's excess of 0.69 only. So this is nearer value. When comparing 8.6, the nearer value is 8.7. So that I have taken 8.7 approximately. So even if you get 8.6, better to write 8.7. So you have to verify like that. After that you write the result. Okay. Here we have left one space over here in the construction part in step number 6. Here we have left in this area you have to put 8.7. Okay. So 4 stages and all over. Finally you have to write the result. Just write the result. Length of the tangents. Actually this is not necessary because already have written that result in step number 6 itself. Okay, so length of the tangent, it is not necessary. Leave it. Can stop at this stage itself. AP, that is equal to 8.7 centimeter approximately. So over. So problem number 14 is completed. Okay, I'll be teaching that problem number 15 in the next video. Same model only. To try to do that problem 15, 16 and 17 and all same model only. Okay. Thank you, children.